Do you need to improve your credit so that you can qualify for the mortgage that you want? Hi, I'm Jay Allen from Coldwell Banker Northland here in Prescott, Arizona. And today I have Kris Leathers from Grand Canyon Lending to give us some tips on how to improve our credit. We're excited to have you here and to give us those tips so that we can improve our credit scores and our strength of qualifying to get that dream house.
Hi everyone, I'm Kris Leathers. First off, I'm a native of Arizona. I've also graduated from ASU. I have a degree in finance, and so far I've been in the mortgage industry about 20 years. I started out on the retail side and eventually moved into the brokerage side because I discovered that I had access to lower interest rates, more diverse programs to help my clients get financed, and also the ability to close much faster. So
that's great. And now let's get into the credit utilization and the strategies to improve it.
Basically, credit utilization makes up about 30% of your credit score. So it's something to stay aware of and to try to make sure that you keep that calculation below 30% and below 10% if possible. And what that is basically what you spent on the credit card divided by your limit. So for example, if you have a $5,000 limit, you spent $1,000, you're at a 20% credit utilization ratio.
Oh, interesting. What about keeping old cards open as you're starting to go into the mortgage application process? Should you leave them open? Do you close them? What's the best approach?
Oh, the best approach is to keep them open for sure. History is a major part of your overall credit score, and the longer the history, the better. So I would always recommend keeping it open and just trying to get the balances below 30% if you at the minimum if possible, but down to 10% if you can.
Okay, so it hurts you then if you're higher than 30% of what you could use?
You'll start to see your scores go down, and as soon as you hit 50 to 51%, you're going to see a drop.
Oh, wow. All right, you've been doing this long enough. I bet you know some tricky tips to help get that credit utilization down better.
Well, the easiest one, of course, is to pay down your debts, but if that's just not possible.
Yeah, what if I don't have any money?
Another way, well, you'll have to try this one. If possible, you can open up additional credit cards to increase the overall credit that you have available, or ask that your current lender increase your limits. Because obviously, if you had a $5,000 limit before and now you get 10, it's going to lower that credit utilization ratio and raise your overall credit score. And one final measure, you can make your payments during the mid part of the billing cycle, and then that a lower balance will be reported by the time the next report comes out.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much for these tips. And also, Kris, if someone wants to give you a call or send you an email to ask you some more questions about that and some of the mortgage programs that you're offering, what's the best way to contact you?
My direct line is 602-369-6974, or just go to my website. It's called Loans by Kris, and that's .net, and that's Kris with a K, K-R-I-S. And all my information is there. You just click on the email or click on my phone number and you can get right in touch with me.
Well, thanks so much. And everyone, take them up on that. Improve your credit. Get ready to qualify for that mortgage, hopefully in a higher amount so I can sell you a more expensive home. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks again.